Right, number three, a landscaping company estimates the price of a job in dollars using the expression 60 plus 12 and H, where N is the number of landscaper who will be working and H is the total number of hours the job will take using N landscapers. Right, which of the following is the best interpretation of the number 12 in the expression? Okay. So for this question, they give us an expression to represent the total price of this job. And then we had to interpret the meaning of the number 12. Okay. So here N represents the number of landscaper and H represents total number of hours they will work together. Okay, and we gotta figure out what 12 means. So if you look at the answer choices, A says a company charges $12 per hour for each landscaper. B, a minimum 12 landscaper will work on each job. C, the price of every job increase by $12 every hour. Or D, each landscaper will work 12 hours a day. Okay. So first of all, the whole expression represents the total price of the job, right? So that's a total, it's like a dollar amount. Okay. So this whole thing, the 60 plus the 12 and H, they have to represent the amount of money, right, that was charged. So what happens is the 12, then so N represent number of workers, okay, and H represent number of hours that they will work, the total amount of time. So if you multiply N times H, that will give us what? That will be, so N is how many people we have, right? H is how many hours they each work. If you multiply them, that will be the total amount of time that it worked. Okay, for all the landscaper, that's the total time. Right? So that's the total time. And we do 12 times that, 12 times the total time. And that'll be what? So it had to be 12 had to be the price per each hour. Right? So price per hour. So we have the total number of hours, right? Total number of hours, then 12 had to be the hourly rate. Okay, so it'll be how much they charge per hour. Okay, oops, hourly rate. Okay, and the 60 will be like some kind of fixed cost. Okay, so we had to maybe pay 60 for the materials, right? 60 like upfront. And then for each additional hour is $12 each. Okay, so the best answer should be A, because should be the company charges $12 per each hour for each landscaper. Okay, so if you look at the other answer choices, B says a minimum 12 landscaper. Well, we don't know, right? So number of landscaper is at the N value. That's not a 12. Okay, so it's not B. And then the price increased by $12 every hour. Well, the hourly rate is a fixed rate, not that the rate increases $12 each hour. Okay. So it's not necessarily that. Okay, and then so that depends on the number of worker as well, right? So it's not necessarily always for each attention hour is $12 because it depends on how many worker we have. So these is each landscaper work 12 hours a day. Well, that's what H represent. We don't know that's equal to 12. Okay, so not D. So the best answer here should be A for number 3.